Welcome students. Now in this video we are going to discuss the questions on the jigs and fixture topic. Okay, so we have seen in the PowerPoint presentation the maximum things I tried to cover in that presentation regarding to the jigs and fixtures. So let us try to solve the questions which are asked in the previous GATE examinations. Okay, so let us take this question number 1. What is there? The fixtures are used in batch production for. Okay, so these all are GATE questions. So option A, clamping the job, supporting and clamping the job, then supporting and clamping and guiding the job, then supporting, locating and clamping the job. So you know very well the fixtures are basically used for supporting, locating and clamping the job. It is not guiding the job. Okay, so and I also told you which is the speciality of the fixture instead of guiding the tool. Okay, so very simple. It is supporting, locating and clamping the job. That is correct. Next question again on fixture. The use of fixture reduces. The use of fixture reduces. Question, option A, only operation time. Option B, tooling cost. Option C, only setting time. And option D, both operation and setting time. So we know very well, so fixture never get interfere in the case of the operation time. Operation time कभी भी change नहीं हो सकता, जितना required है machining के लिए, operation के लिए उतना रहेगा. But yes, when you are using the fixtures or jigs in the operation, say for example in setting, so definitely the setup time is influencing or it is come down, so that the production time definitely going to down, productivity goes on increasing. Yes or no? So only the fixtures are reducing only setup or setting time. That is the correct answer. Next we are having the question number 3. Choose the correct statement or statement. See here. The fixture is used to guide the tool and locate the workpiece. Okay. गाइड तो करता नहीं, isn't it? गाइड तो जिग करता है. ओके फाइन, तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता. तो जिग इज यूज्ड टू गाइड द टूल एज वेल एज लोकेट द टूल एंड क्लैम्प द वर्कपीस. यस, the function of jig is to locate, clamp and guide the tool. So that is correct. This statement is correct. This is correct. So jigs are used on CNC machines to locate, clamp the workpiece and so guide the tool. That is also correct. We can provide the jig on CNC machine also. And option D is what? No arrangement to guide the tool is provided in the jig. So this is speciality of jig. The guiding system is there. Tool guiding is there in case of the jig. So this is the wrong statement. So no, it is written here. So how many statements are correct statements here? So statement B and statement C. That is the correct. Isn't it? Now, let us take the 4th question. When 3-to-1 principle is used to support and locate the 3-dimensional workpiece during the machining, the number of degrees of freedom that are arrested. Okay, so we have learned in the beginning of the topic that the free body in the space, okay, that it is having already 12 degrees of freedom, 6 translation and 6 rotation. So when we are going for the machining operation, so out of this 12, how many are arrested in this 3-to-1 principle? So there are 9 degrees of freedom that are arrested. 2 are left for the loading and unloading and 1 is for tool, isn't it? So like that, 3 are left over, 9 degrees of freedom arrested. And आगे जाके आपको ये भी पता है, then this loading and unloading again they get arrested by the clamping, and remaining one is again arrested by the cutting force of the tool, like that. You know very well. So what is the answer? So 9 degrees of freedom are arrested. Okay, so see, this was the GATE 2005 question. Again, same question, see, 2001 asked 3 to 1 method of location in a jig or fixture would collectively restricts the workpiece in n degrees of freedom. Small n is given, where the value of small n is, of course, it is what? 6, 8, 9, 12. It is 9. So like that many times the question is asked on this 3 to 1 principle. Please, the next question again on 3 to 1 principle. See, what is the question? The 3 to 1 principle of fixture design. The 3 refers to the number of 3 to 1 में ये 3 क्या है? So options are the clamps required. Option A what? The clamps required. Option B, locators on the primary datum face. Yes, that is the correct only. Option C, degrees of freedom of the workpiece. No. Operation, then option D, operation carried out on the primary datum face. No. So these are simply what? The locators. These pins are what? The pin locators on primary datum face. So that B option is correct. You can listen very carefully the question. I am not writing here. Next question we are having again on 3 to 1 principle. See dear students, very important, same kind of question in ESE examination 2011 they asked. So in 3 to 1 principle of fixture, the 3 refers to the number of, again same kind of question. Here options are setups possible, no. Clamps required, no. Positions on the primary face, no. So it is what? So these are the option D, locating positions. Yes. So locating positions, isn't it? That is already we see number of locators on the primary datum face. Next question. When cylindrical workpiece or when cylinder is located in a V block. Okay, the question on V block is there. The number of degrees of freedom are arrested. So we know that when we are using this V block. So when a cylinder is located in a V block, we know this is the V block, and here is the cylinder located. We know how many degrees of freedom arrested they are asking. So that is, we know 1, 2, 3. These 3 are linear and these 4 are rotational. So 3 plus 4, total how many? 7 degrees of freedom are arrested and 5 are left over, isn't it? So what are the options? 2, 4, 7 and 8. We know that 4 rotary and 3 linear motions are arrested by using this V clamp or V block, isn't it? So we are also using the locating bush or clamping for a small spherical jobs where we can arrest all the degrees of freedom. That also we have seen. Next question, on the radial location or diamond pin locator is there. What is question? The diamond pin location is used in the fixtures because, that is why diamond pin locators are used. We know that allows the variation in the dimension. Let us see what are the options. It does not wear out. Option B, it takes care of any variation in the center between the 2 holes. Yes, that is the correct. It takes care of any variation in the center between the 2 holes. That is correct. Option C, it is easy to clamp the part on diamond pin. Not so mature. Option D, it is easy to manufacture. The correct and logical answer is what? So diamond pin location is used in the fixture because it takes care of any variation in the center between 2 holes, or we have seen in such a fashion that I taught you, it allows variation in the dimensions. So not everywhere they are asking the questions on the jig and fixture, but yes, when you get the questions, so maximum time they have asked this question on jigs on fixture for 1 mark. So basic things about the jigs and fixtures, then principle of location, 3 to 1 principle, very important. Then these locators, various locators, clamping methods, principles, okay. Then designing of the lathe fixture, what are designing assumptions or basic principles that we are following for the design fixture designing, for milling, and for lathe, and also for jig design. So we have discussed all these things. Try to learn that. Thank you.